What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in, and in today's video we're going to be talking about my absolute favorite way to learn how to wholesale real estate in order to have the most success in the shortest amount of time. So that being said, make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you the best way to learn how to wholesale real estate and make thousands of dollars. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Alright, so that's right. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the absolute best way to learn how to wholesale real estate. Let's jump onto the computer so that way I can break it down for you. So my favorite way to learn how to wholesale real estate is my REISCALERS Learn How to Wholesale program. Now, I truly believe that this is the best way to learn how to wholesale real estate. I've taken many courses, many programs, many mentorships from different people out there in the space, and I've been able to see what was good about those and what was bad, and I took all that into consideration when building my Learn How to Wholesale program. And so when I made it, I made sure that it covered every single thing you need to know so that way you can have the most success as fast as possible and not feel like you're left questioning, what do I do? I answer everything in here for you from A to Z, step by step, how to get that first wholesale deal, and then from there on, scale to producing over $100,000 a month and making over $1 million a year wholesaling real estate. Yep, that's right. And this program is very affordable, okay? And not only is it very affordable, but because you're watching this video, I'm gonna give you an exclusive discount off the program as well. If you use coupon code 25 off, the number 25 and then all caps OFF, you're going to get $25 off the program as well. So let's break it down. What exactly is in the program that makes it the best way to learn? So we're at REISCALERS.com. If you want to go check the program out and buy it and look at it for yourself, go to REISCALERS.com. There will be a link in the description for this as well. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video because I want to break it down for you every single thing that's in this program so that way you know why it's beneficial for you, and I'm not going to waste any of your time. Let's get right into it. So the REISCALERS program teaches you everything you need to know. Everything's included. First, we're going to talk about getting your first deal. In this program, I teach you from scratch how to get your first deal using proven techniques. I go over marketing. I dive into every single marketing channel that there is in order to find wholesale deals and lock them up. So every single marketing channel, I'm talking bandit signs, mailers, door knocking, driving for dollars, cold calling, pay-per-click marketing, SEO, bird dogging. Every single marketing channel is covered in this program. Then we go over sales and acquisitions. I teach you everything you need to know about how to talk to sellers the right way in order to lock up deals at a very discounted price so that way you can make the most money possible. So I'm going to go over tons of sales tips, how to build rapport, the straight line theory, how to get from the open to the close, the best intro, how to negotiate. All of that is covered in sales and acquisitions. Then we're going to go over closing deals and dispositions. I cover everything you need to know about how to sell your wholesale deals for the most profit. So we're going to be talking about how to build a cash buyers list, how to build your listing, and how to get these pictures of the property in your listing so that way your listing is the best marketing tool you have to get your deal in front of these buyers. We're going to go over how to use other companies to help you market your deal, how to market your deal on the MLS. We're going to go over every single strategy you need to know when it comes to selling your deals, marketing your deals, disposing of them, building cash buyers, building connections. All of that is covered in closing deals and dispositions. Then we're going to go over property evaluation. We're going to show you exactly how to calculate your offer and find out what the property is worth so that way you can calculate your offer and have an accurate offer to make the seller where you'll be able to still make profit. It's very hard in this business if you don't know how to accurately calculate offers. You're just not going to have any success. So in this program, I go over exactly how to evaluate property and calculate your offer to make the seller. And then we're going to go over mindset and scaling. This is where I teach you how to have the proper mindset to have success in this business, because in having success in life, it's 80% mindset and 20% implementation. And if you just don't have the right mindset, you're not going to be a successful wholesaler, because you are going to have to go through a lot of trials and tribulations in order to get these deals locked up. You're going to have to go through a lot of sellers telling you no after no until you finally get that yes and lock up your deal. So you're going to need that proper mindset in order to have success. Then we're going to go over scaling. I'm going to give you every single tool that I have in my toolbox when it comes to going from 1 deal to 10 deals a month and making over $1 million a year wholesaling real estate. I've been wholesaling real estate for almost 5 years now. I started when I was 16. I turned 20 years old back in June. And so I've been doing this for a long time. I've been around the block, and I've been able to go from 1 deal to making over $1 million a year consecutively, year over year. So I'm going to give you every single tool and tip that you need to know in order to know how to scale in this business. There's a little video here on the site that goes over some more information, so check that out. There's some testimonials here that you can check out as well. Right here, you can see that this person got their first deal for $34,000 profit from after going through the program. This person closed 3 deals. Second deal closed, a $15,000 first deal, an $8,000 first deal, closed 3 deals in 2 months. There's tons of testimonials on the site showing you what success people have had after going through the program. So make sure you check that out for proof of concept. Next, these are the exact videos that are included. There's literally like 50 training videos in the program. It's hours and hours of knowledge that I have packed in this program that I've learned over the years. So first we have the welcome video, and then we have the discounts, links, and downloads. You are going to get a ton of downloadable documents and information and tools for completely free. You're also going to get discounts on every single marketing channel and every single resource and tool in this business that you would have to purchase. Because you became a student, you are going to get a discount on all of that. Literally just right here, the discounts and the free material that's provided to you pays for itself. It literally covers the cost of the program with how much value there is just on the second thing in the program. Next, we give you a little bit of background about me. Then we go over the basics. What is wholesaling? We go over wholesaling and real estate terminology. We go over the wholesaling process. And I give you the exact roadmap of the exact steps you need to take to get your first deal. Then we go over marketing and data, every single marketing channel, where you can do these marketing, what marketing channel providers you're going to need, the types of lists and data to market to, where to find and pull these lists and data, how to pull these lists from the different providers, how to clean and organize your lists and split them so that way they're ready to be uploaded into your dialer for you to market to them. Then we go over systems, phone systems and dialers, how to use a dialer. This is where I actually screen share and show you exactly how to use these systems. Then we go over systems to manage your leads. I share my screen and I show you exactly how to use these systems. And then I go over the systems that you are going to need to build a legit 7-figure wholesaling business so that way you're ready to scale. Then we go over acquisitions and sales skills. I go over the purchase contract and assignment contract, how to fill them out, what all the words and lines and terms mean in these contracts. I show them to you. I explain them to you. Then I show you how to send these contracts via e-signature so that way you can lock these deals up. Then I show you how to do contract addendums, the lead process from open to close, tips when talking to sellers, how to explain the process to seller, tons of sales skills. I show you how to calculate the offer method, determining remodel cost and investor profit percentage, an offer calculator, how it calculates the offer for you so that way there's no confusion and so that way you're making accurate offers to sellers every single time. Then I show you how to run comparables. I show you how to scale, what KPIs you need to track, key performance indicators in order to scale your business so that way you're not flying blind. You actually have the data and you're able to see what's working and what's not so that way you can scale successfully. Then I go over the best sheet to use to track these KPIs. Then I go over keys to scaling your business and I break down every single thing that it takes in order to scale and do more deals and make more money. I show you how to hire employees, the hiring process, how to interview them, where to find them. All of that's covered. Then I go over virtual wholesaling, the intricacies and the difference between regular wholesaling and virtual wholesaling. I break down right here so that way you can have success wholesaling in any market across the country. Then I have a bunch of bonus stuff for you. I go over the Zillow free marketing strategy. I show you how to do bandit signs. I show you how to do fix and flips. So that way, once you become a successful wholesaler, now you can actually buy the properties yourself and fix them up and make money there as well. Make extra money rather than just selling all your deals to cash buyers. I show you how to fix and flip as well. Then I show you how to use virtual assistants to your advantage, where to find virtual assistants, and what tasks they can do for you for a few bucks an hour rather than paying somebody in the US, $10, $20 an hour. You're able to save a ton of money and find good team members virtually. I show you that. I show you how to set up your LLC, set up your company, and I show you what to do whether the property is vacant at close or whether there's post-possession needed. Literally, everything is included so that way there is no questions. You're able to have all the information here so that way you can take action and do things the right way so that way you have quick success and minimal failure. Next, what to do if the seller cancels with you. I show you everything you need to know so that way you're prepared for every obstacle and everything that can happen when wholesaling. It is all covered. And then the conclusion, I give you the next step of your game. I tell you what to do after you close your first deal, and I give you that blueprint from where to go from there. I tell you how to reinvest that money after you get your first deal so that way you have the most success. And then a conclusion video, and then the discounts and downloads again. Now, this program isn't just for somebody that's never done a deal. It's not just for beginners, it's also for experienced investors, because we got to remember the number one thing that's most important when getting in real estate is finding good deals. And in this program, I show you exactly how to find good deals at a deep discount, because that's where the money is to be made. So as you can see, there is a ton of videos in this program that teach you everything you need to know. On the site, here's some other information about me so that way you know who your mentor is. And then down here you can see some checks from deals that I've closed. $26,000 deal that I closed back in 2021, $40,000 deal that I closed in 2020, and one of my biggest deals ever for $130,000 that I closed in 2021. So there's some proof to show you that I really do deals. There's the checks showing you that I've actually done deals. There's testimonials on the site. So there we go. I just broke it down for you. Every single thing that is in this Learn How to Wholesale program. And I truly believe it is the #1 way to learn how to wholesale real estate. It teaches you how to get that first deal, and then from there on, go to making over $100,000 a month. The program is $497, but with the 25 off, 25 and then OFF, coupon code, you will save $25. So it's very affordable because this mere investment of a few $100s could wind up making you millions of dollars, okay? I got my first deal when I was 16 years old. It was for $30,000. I reinvested every penny of that $30,000 assignment fee back in the business, and from there on, I was able to go make $800,000 the next year. The year after that, $2 million, and then $2 million again, and so on. So I've been able to go from one deal to making multiple millions of dollars in this business. So that being said, what's holding you back? It's a few $100 investment in yourself, and you will be able to get success that you deserve in this business. It's one of the best businesses to get into because you need little money to get into it. There's a very low barrier to entry. You need little money to get into wholesaling real estate. And so if you have the right knowledge, which is provided in this program, that's pretty much all you need to have massive success. So I hope this video was helpful to explain exactly what my favorite way to learn wholesaling real estate is and exactly what's in the program. So I hope that was helpful, and make sure to go check out the program at REISCALERS.com. There will be a link in the description for this as well. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.